Bop, boom, 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 bop. HDMI port to DisplayPort. Couple things. When you plug in your DisplayPort, when you go to pull it out, make sure you push this down because it will pull the teeth back up in. If you put it in your port and you go and pull it like this and you rip it out, it could actually rip and damage the plug itself or the port itself of the DisplayPort. So just make sure you reach underneath, push up, and then pull it right out.